Hello everyone, I hope you must be very fine, very healthy and safe. We are going to start linear equation in today's video. Now before understanding linear equation, we should understand that linear equations are of two types. Linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variable. What is that? When we have a linear equation like 2x plus 3 equals to 4, in this equation we have only one variable, so it is called linear equation in one variable. Now in this equation, if we have two variables with us, that is x and y, so it becomes linear equation in two variables. In this video, we will be studying about linear equation in one variable. We will understand how to find out the value of the variables, right? Let's understand the linear equation by the help of one example. Let's see. There are two methods to find out the value of any variable. One is transpose and another in inverse. Both I will be telling you for this particular question, right? First, let's start with transpose method. Transpose method is when we have to find out the value of any variable, we have to shift like terms towards one side and constant towards the another side, right? Suppose this is 5x that side, please bring it here on one side of the on the one side. Here it is 5x, so this side it will come to minus 5x. We know when we bring or when we shift the numbers here and there, we just change the sign. So 2 is already here, minus 8 is there, bring that side and plus 8. 7x minus 5x will be 2x. 2 plus 8 will be 10. And when we will find out the value of x, 2 will be in division that side, which will give x is equals to 5. This was the transpose method. Now let's come to inverse method. What is that inverse method? Inverse method is basically deal with the cancellation of the terms. Let's see how. 7x minus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2 here. Now we have to cancel the terms and reduced the like terms towards one side. Here we have to cancel the terms. Now minus 8 is extra over here, right? So we will add 8 both sides. Why we are doing it both sides? So as to maintain the equation, the balance of the equation we have to maintain. So 7x minus 8 plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2 and plus 8, right? From this, minus and plus 8 got cancelled. 7x is equals to 5x plus 10. Then we need x term towards one side. So this 5x is also extra. So subtract 5x both sides, right? Then this 5x got cancelled. Here it is 2x is equals to 10. Now divide 2 both sides. So x is equals to 5 is the answer. By both the method we get the same answer. Now understand the linear equation with the help of the question. Now this is 5. So 5 minus, you have to be very particular here. When minus 3 will be inside, students generally make mistake over here. The sign inside will be changed, right? So minus 3 into 5 will be 15x. Minus 3 into plus 2 will be minus 6 is equal to 28 minus 12x and this plus 1, right? Now next step is to bring the like terms together. So it's minus 15x minus 12 will come here, to that is plus 12x is equal to 28 plus 1 plus 6 and minus 5. When we shift those constant that side, sign will be changed. Minus 15 plus 12 will be 3 of minus. So minus 3x is equals to 28 plus 6 will be 28 plus 6 will be 34. 34 plus 1, 35. 35 minus 5 will be 30, right? Now here it is minus 3. So when it will go that side and it will be divided, our answer will be minus 10. Now let's move to another question. Here we have numerator upon denominator on the LHS side, numerator upon denominator on the RHS side. The best way to solve this question is by cross multiplication. When we do cross multiplication, x plus 1 will be multiplied by 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 1 will be multiplied by 2x plus 3. Like normal multiplication, we will solve LHS and we will solve RHS. Let's say 2x minus 5 is equals to x 2x plus 3 minus 1 2x plus 3. Right. Now when we will solve this, it will be 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3. Our next step is to bring the like terms together. Right. First of all, x square will be there. This is plus of x square, and that side also 2x square, which will get cancelled. Fine. Now bring all the x terms towards one side, which is minus 3x plus 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 5. Right. Now minus 5 plus 2 will be minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. And minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4x is equal to 2. Right. Now when we will solve for x is equals to 2 upon minus 4, which will be x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now let's understand linear inequation. In linear inequation, we have the conditions less than, greater than, less than equals to, and greater than equals to. Right. Here we will have the inequations. In equation, how to identify? We will have the inequality in it. Right. Now before understanding the linear inequations, let us understand what is replacement set and what is solution set. Right. If I say I want all the vowels. Now, so vowels is the answer. That means A, E, I, O, U is the answer. That means this is a solution set what we wanted. Now, from where these vowels we have taken? From all the alphabets, right? Alphabet is the replacement set. What is replacement set? From where we choose the value for a particular question, that is the replacement set, and whatever is the answer for that particular question becomes the solution set. Now if I say x is greater than 2, right, and x belongs to whole numbers. So x belongs to whole number, we have to take all the values of x which are greater than 2 from where? From whole number. So whole number is the replacement set. Fine. So solution will be 3, 4, 5. The ending point is not given, so dot 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 will be considered. Right. On the other hand, if I say x is greater than 4 and the replacement set values are given to us, then if we have to choose the values from the replacement set, our answer will be 6 and 10 for this particular question. Fine. Now let's understand how to solve this inequality. If we will use inverse method, let's see. First of all, keep in mind we have to solve for the variable x. So x has to be isolated. So we will solve x. We will solve for x. First remove this 1 which is extra. So how to remove? Subtract 1 both sides. So this is plus 1 minus 1 and 16 minus 1. Fine. Here 1 and 1 got cancelled. It will be 3x less than equals to 15. Now both sides we have to divide by 3 so that x is alone over here. So divide by 3. So x is less than equals to 5. Now this is the answer. But this is not the final step. Right, this we have got the value of the condition for x, we can say. So solution set we have to write x belongs to natural number and x is less than equals to 5. That means we have to take all the values to 5 starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will take 5 also because equality sign is also mentioned over here. Here we have very important question. Now again we have to solve for x. So what we have to do? We have to just remove this 3 first of all over here. So 3 minus 3, this is of plus. So we will subtract 3 both sides. Minus 2x greater than x minus 10 minus 3. Fine. This and this got cancelled. So minus 2x greater than equals to x minus 13. Now this side x is extra. We don't want x both sides. So this is of plus x. We will subtract x both sides. So 2x minus x greater than equals to x minus 13. Again this got cancelled. Minus 3x is greater than equals to minus 13. Now very important thing I'm going to tell. Here we have minus 3. Whenever we have the coefficient of x negative, then we have to flip the sign. That means in this condition, we have to divide by minus 3. Right? Minus 3 say we have to divide. Whenever we multiply or divide by the negative number, then we have to flip the sign. That means x is less than equals to 13 by 3. Fine. So this will be answer. If we will not flip the sign, answer will be wrong. Now this was natural number. So this is 13 upon 3, which is 4 whole 1 by 3. Fine. And it is a natural number. It is less than equals to. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. We will take till 4. How to solve for the questions? How to solve the inequality when in one question two inequalities are given. In such cases, we divide the question into two parts. Fine. First part will be 1 less than equals to thrice x minus 2 plus 4, and second part will be thrice of x minus 2 plus 4 less than 10. Fine. So we have two parts, and in both the parts we have only one inequality. And here we will solve as we have solved previously, which is 1 less than equals to 3x minus x plus 4. 1 is less than equals to 3x minus 2. Now we have to again solve for x. So add to both sides 1 plus 2. Why we have added? Just to cancel this 2. Find 3 less than equals to 3x. Now divide by x both sides, which will give x is greater than 1. Now we come to this side. This side again we will solve like normal inequality, which will give 3x minus 2 less than 10. In this step, minus 2 is there. We don't want. So add to both sides. 3x minus 2 plus 2, 10 plus 2, right? 3x, this and this got cancelled. Here it will be 12. Now we have to divide it by 3. So it will be 4. Now what you have to do, x in x is written. Write down x one time. Copy this as it is. Copy this as it is. So this is our final answer. Fine. Now our replacement set is whole number. So our answer will be x is greater than equals to 1. So 1, 2, 3 will be the answer. 4 we will not take because equality sign is missing over here. So these were the concept of linear equation and inequation. In our next video, we will understand how the linear equations are solved if it is asked in the word problems. Many students have problem in the ages question and numerator and denominator type of question. They are not able to frame the linear equations from the word problems. So we will study in the next video. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel and keep watching me. Thank you so much.